to the next setting module where we will be configuring SMS templates. And in this section is here where we define SMS templates that we send to clients once we create sales for them. And now in this section, for example, we want to send an SMS of delivery, a delivery SMS letting the client know that your item has been successfully delivered and thank you for shopping with us. And we can do this by adding a template. As you can see, you can set the following dynamic tags for template, like say customer example. Dear customer, we celebrate you for being our loyal customer, for you and enjoy happy holidays with your loved ones. Now, but our template we want as delivery after delivery SMS. Let's say after delivery SMS. Now once we do that, let's say we can define and say dear customer, your items has been successfully delivered. Thank you for shopping with us. In this section, if you do sharing, if you haven't got your custom send ID that goes with your business, you can write down there let's say Moha Electronics then you can define your phone number there, 07 something like that, then you submit. Or maybe if you don't have your send ID and you like to have one, you can always contact our salesperson. It goes at only 10,000. Then we'll configure it so that it doesn't go with our send ID. The SMS goes with your own business send ID. Yeah, so here is now let's set it up our after delivery SMS template. Once we do that, that is how actually we create a after delivery SMS template. Now this template will be used while on the sale list. Let's say you want to create a sale. Now currently we haven't made any sale, but for demonstration purposes on how the SMS works, let me do this. Let me connect my phone here. Don't know if it's going to take long. If it's taking long, let's do this. Let's proceed and I'll let you know how the SMS works during the sales module. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.